Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw ice cream. First, we will draw a line and based on that we will draw a triangle. Erase the middle partition and erase this portion. Now draw some curly lines. And we will draw this pattern for the cone. You can draw this pattern using scale. Now our cone is ready, so we will start drawing the layer of the ice cream. This is the first layer, this is the second and the last one. Some cherries on both sides and on the top. Outline whole ice cream with black sketch pen. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. You can also connect with us on Telegram through the link given in the description box below. To color it, we will use green, deep yellow, pink, orange, light yellow and red color. First layer green, second layer deep yellow, third layer pink. For the cone, we will use light yellow and orange shade. Color the cherry with red color. Thanks for watching.